Beautiful 22 Ferrari SF90 Spider in Nero Daytona. Car came in, he picked it up used with existing PPF installed by the, I believe the local dealer. I'm assuming he bought it local, but anyway, the dealership installed the PPF. He wasn't 100% happy with it, and he also knew, as a client of ours, knowing the way we do work, he was pretty sure that once we pulled the PPF off, there would be plenty of imperfections, and he was correct about that. So not only was he not happy with the film itself, but once we took it off, there was a tremendous amount of buffer trails, swirl marks, etc. Underneath the film, and then the rest of the car needed a paint correction as well. So full paint correction was done, and then we installed full body PPF, and followed by ceramic coating. So XPEL PPF on the entire car, and then ceramic pro ceramic coating on top of everything. I always try to show really up close, the quality of our work. Like I said, this car came in with PPF that wasn't all that bad, but he wasn't, 100% thrilled with it. And so when we do the work, I try to show the details of what we do, and to show that nothing is exposed, because you would be amazed how often cars come in with PPF and all of these edges are exposed. The film is nowhere near the edge or not wrapped around, and so we go above and beyond to make sure that there's no exposed edges anywhere. You can also see how, if you look at the surface, not a blemish to be found in the film. No specks of dust, no stretch marks, none of that. Let's take a look on the inside, because the inside I think looks really good against the black. You have the bright yellow that matches not only the emblems outside, but also the yellow calipers. Everything gets ceramic coated on the inside the door jambs. In the case of this car and almost every other Ferrari as well, I also always need to do a paint correction inside the door jambs, because there are so many imperfections inside, from overspray to buffer trails to what have you. Everything that you can imagine is also inside the door jambs. So all of that gets paint corrected and then protected with a ceramic coating. So yeah, now the car's done. He'll be here tomorrow, I believe, to pick it up. Currently out of town, and it's ready to go. This is second SF90 we've done for him, and I'm sure that he'll be happy with this one as well.